my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am here to announce we are going to have a free live online event October 29th, that's a Thursday, at 4 p.m. Pacific time. Now, what is a live online event? That is where we release brand new products with flash sale prices, and I get together with you while you're looking at them on the website. We get to chat together, we get to visit. I actually demonstrate each product, show it to you, show you how awesome it is. You're able to order it if you want to at flash sale prices. And we do a live chat, and we usually even throw in a few raffles, which is really exciting. So come see us October 29th. Mark your calendar so you are ready. 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. We are gonna have a blast. And don't forget, flash sales on brand new items. Thank you, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.